There it is.
Oh, hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly,
Read the house down. Hi, everyone. Today, we are going to celebrate and talk about families. Who is in your family?
Mommy, Daddy, my baby brother, and me.
Amazing. How about you?
My auntie.
Nice.
My mom, my sister, and my dad.
Love it. How about you?
Me, my mom, and my dad.
Awesome. How about you?
My grandma and my uncle.
Oh, I love it.
My mom and dada.
Oh, I love that. I love talking about families. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside.
Me too. What does it mean to be a family?
It's people that we live with.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Pets are part of my family, too.
Nice.
And Darlene, do you have anybody at home in your family?
I have a baby.
Oh, you have a little baby in your house?
Yeah.
That's part of your family?
Uh-huh.
Bree, do you have any ideas about what makes a family?
Your mom, dad, and you.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
And sometimes there's other kinds of families too.
Yes. Some families just have adults in it, and there are no children. Sometimes there's just one parent.
Or sometimes they're two moms.
Yeah,
That's
sometimes
right.
there's two moms as well. You're right. Yeah, two mummies. There might be two daddies. There might be one parent.
What?
Can you think?
Daddies, two mommies?
Yeah, two
That's right.
mummies. That also makes a family.
Four.
Yeah,
Sometimes people might have 3 parents.
yeah,
What? Parents?
yeah. There's so many different ways that a family can be a family. All of those different types of families have one thing in common, and that thing is...
Love.
You got it! It's love. That's what makes a family.
What are some fun things that you like to do with your family?
We like to go outside and take a walk.
That's so nice.
That sounds great. How about you, Savannah?
I like to go outside and go for swims.
Ooh, that's great.
We go on hikes and play board games.
Oh, those all sound like fantastic activities for families to do. So families come in all different shapes and sizes, right?
Absolutely. Did you know that Faye and I are also family? And the one thing that we like to do together the most is read!
F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family.
Good job, Moogie. You spelled family.
Family is such a wonderful word. Do you know what makes a family?
Oh, I know. It means being related to people.
That's definitely one way of being a family, Fuzz.
There's more than one way of being a family.
Absolutely. Families come in all shapes and sizes. Another type of family is a chosen family.
A chosen family? What does that mean?
Well, it means they choose each other's outfits.
Good guess, but not quite. Chosen family are when people who are not related treat each other like family.
Wow, that sounds great.
It is. And like so many other families, there's a lot of love to go around.
Well, can chosen families celebrate each other's birthdays?
Absolutely.
Well, can they play games together?
They sure can.
I want a chosen family.
That's right, Pepito. You and Fuzz and Moogie all love and accept each other. And you also play games with each other, and you celebrate each other's birthdays.
Wait, so are the three of us chosen family?
I think so.
Hey, Faye and Fluffy, would you be in our chosen family too?
We'd love to.
Yay! I guess that makes us a big, happy family.
It certainly does. There's one more thing we can do to make it official.
What?
Family portrait!
Oh.
1, 2, 3, family.
Hi, my name's Enzo. I'm 6 years old. I'm in grade 1. I have 2 dads named Daddy and Papa. What we like about our family is playing video games, going on walks, and spending time with them. They're the bestest dad in the whole wide world, and I love them. Bye. Adios.
Ooh, bookies.
Are we ready to do the settle down song?
Yes!
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's story is A Family is a Family is a Family, written by Sarah O'Leary.
We were talking about families at school. The teacher asked us what we thought made our family special. I went last because I wasn't sure what to say. My family is not like everybody else's.
My mom and dad have been best friends since 1st grade. They really like each other. It's kind of gross.
Gross? Yeah, it's because they kiss. It's because they kiss.
They're kissing. There are lots of kids in our family. Mom and Dad just keep coming home with more.
Look, he's surprised.
Yeah. Both my moms are terrible singers, and they both like to sing really loud.
I have more grandparents than anyone else I know. Do you know what this is representing? Yeah.
Family tree.
That's right. A family tree is a thing that we can draw out, and it shows all the branches of the different people who are in our family.
We have a new baby in our house. I think my mom ordered him online.
We all look alike in my family. We just kind of go together.
One week, mom gets me, and then the next week, dad does. Fair is fair.
Some people say I look like my dad, and some people say I look like my mom. I think I look like myself. Does anyone here get told that they look like somebody else in their family?
Mom and Dad. It's very confusing.
I love that.
My mom says that before I was born, I grew in her heart.
Aww. Because I live with my grandmother, people sometimes think she's my mother, but she's not. She's my everything.
Some of the kids were dads when he met mom, and some were moms when she met dad. Now we all belong to each other. So what's the most important thing about families? It's what?
Love!
Can you imagine all of the love in that family with so many members in it?
It must feel like a million houses.
Yes. One of my dads is tall, and one is short. They both give good hugs.
I listened to everybody else, and then I remembered the time someone saw us all together in the park. She asked my foster mother to point out her real children. Oh, I don't have any imaginary children, my mom said. All my children are real.
Does anybody know what a foster family is?
The foster kids are where they're adopted, like.
Yeah, and sometimes a foster family does adopt a
Yes.
kid. Sometimes a foster kid is only there for a little bit. It depends on what's happening in their life.
Yeah.
But always, what's important to know is that foster family has extra love to give.
Yes.
And there's kids out there that sometimes need a family to stay with. Are you ready for this one? Let's all say this together.
A family is a family is a family. The end. Oh, we had so much fun hanging out with you today.
And we learned that there's so many different types of families, and they are all worth celebrating.
Bring in the family! We have loved spending time with our friends and their families.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next